Laman ng usap-usapan ngayon sa buong mundo, si Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Maging kapalit na kalaban ng American boxing superstar na si Gervonta Tank Davis. Ang balitang ito ay lumabas matapos ang ulat na maaaring makansela ang laban ni Davis, ang kasalukuyang WBA lightweight champion, laban sa kapwa Amerikano na si Lamont Roach, ang WBA super featherweight champion. Ang laban ay nakatakda ng ganapin sa Marso 1, 2025 sa Barclays Center, Brooklyn, New York. Sa kasalukuyan, si Magsayo, ang WBA No. 5 contender, ang isa sa mga ikinokonsiderang posibleng kapalit na makaharap ni Davis. Ito ang malaking pagkakataon ni Magsayo na kung sakaling manalo biglang maging superstar si Magnifico. Si Magsayo na tubong Bohol ngunit matagal nang naninirahan at nag-training sa California, United States, ay isang dating WBC featherweight world champion at sa ngayon ay isa pa ring world-ranked contender. Si Magsayo ay may kasalukuyang record na 27 panalo, 2 talo at 18 knockouts. Habang si Davis naman ay may malinis na record na 30 panalo, kung saan 28 ay via knockout. Napili si Magsayo na itapat kay Davis dahil dito sa kanyang impresibong knockout sa pinakahuling laban noong nakarang buwan kontra sa boxer na si Brian Mercado.
So, obviously mixed.
Sa unang round pa lang, bumitaw agad si Magsayo ng mabibigat na suntok na halatang nagpahirap kay Mercado.
Stay busy.
And you know what? When you're with Marv Nation, you're going to stay busy. And you're going to be evenly matched up. It's not going to be a cakewalk or someone takes you out to dinner. You're going to have to earn every round, earn every single punch. And, he's matched up with a man with 18 professional fights.
We saw that right at the beginning, right there, Mercado hit him with that left hand. So Magsayo's got to be ready. He's got to be alert.
I'm liking what I see already. I saw the step over, as if to say, I want an early night, but I want to give everybody an opportunity.
Counter puncher could sit down on something and wait for you to make a mistake. He needs to let his hands go.
Dressing room. I talked to him. I talked to his wife. He said, I can't overreach. I can't lunge in. And he's starting to do that. He's got to set up.
He's ready. Let's remember, listen to the fight.
Muncie, y'all, he has to let it go. Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You sit back and pace. You're looking at the stars.
Almost got him there with that left, and Brian Mercado, he's ready. Let's remember and listen.
These Mayweather fighters, they seem to come overweight, that's part of their game plan. Even the advice they give people, coming over. I don't know. Sometimes you get away with it, and they're waiting.
I can't fight this guy 15 pounds over. So here he is. That was November 30th, and Brian is ready.
What's with these Mayweather fighters? They seem to come overweight, that's part of their game plan.
An experienced fighter, speed, he's got it. And then he just gets
over.
I don't know.
Styles cutting the ring off right now. He's just waiting. He's participating. He knows what's in front of him.
Advantage, but Brian said no. That's their way. I guess they hope that the fighter will take the fight and have that advantage. But Brian said no. I'm not taking the fight. And here he is. Against Magsayo.
Magsayo's cutting the ring off right now. He's just waiting. He's participating. He knows what's in front of him. He can feel the skill level that's in front of him. There you go.
Isang malakas na suntok sa katawan ang nagpabagsak kay Mercado, ngunit nagawa nitong makatayo bago matapos ang bilang ng referee.
Walks him down, beats a shot to the...
They're a better move to catch some air, to gain, opportunity to recover a little bit. But Magsayo, he's experienced. He's gonna go for
And I'm looking at the corner of Magsayo.
Hindi pa rin ito nakaligtas sa solidong kaliwang suntok ni Magsayo na muling nagpabagsak sa kanya. Sa kabila nito, inabot pa rin siya ng tunog ng bell.
probably talking about the Malpis that he spent. But here he is again, Magsayo.
Pagdating ng ikalawang round, hindi na pinatagal ni Magsayo ang laban. Sa sunod-sunod na malalakas na suntok sa katawan, tuluyang bumagsak si Mercado at napilitan ng referee na ihinto ang laban.
Referee's gonna stop this.
Yeah, I'm surprised Mercado got up. I thought he was just gonna stay there.
Panalo si Magsayo via knockout sa ikalawang round. Dahil sa ipinakitang lakas at husay ni Magsayo, napili itong itapat kay Gervonta Tank Davis. Sa inyo namang palagay, sapat na ba itong pinakita ni Magsayo upang manalo kay Davis? Pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at isama nyo na rin ang inyong lugar upang malaman natin saan na umabot ang ating video.